So hello guys, today I am going to show you very important thing, what you do in your daily life, uh, because if you are the computer user and you work on the computer most of the time, so you delete, you remove, you add, you install, you uninstall many of the files on the computer. So guys, there is the proper way to remove or uninstall your file from your computer, because you know, when you install, when you download any file in your computer, so once you install it, this file install on your computer, and the Windows files also comes, or the software files also go with Windows file. So if you delete the files, yani if you don't want this is any of the softwares and you want to remove it, and you just remove the folder and you remove the exe file, so it can be dangerous for your computer, because you will delete from there, and after that the Windows file also will delete, or some important Windows file, or any files what we use for the boot of the computer, it can be delete, and it can be problem with your Windows. Your file will be corrupt, your Windows will not work properly. Maybe you delete some VGA file, or maybe you delete some any of the important file. So today I am going to show you what is the proper way to uninstall any of the application, any of the software. So without wasting our time, let's move to our screen.
So guys, if you want to remove or uninstall any of the software application, you will go to control panel. You will search the control panel. This is the screen for the control panel. This is the place from where you can uninstall or remove any of the software or application, because if you will remove or delete from other places, the Windows file which attach when you install any software, it will be removed with it, and then your Windows will be corrupt or there will be the problem. So you will click on uninstall, and from here, suppose I want to uninstall this VLC player. Okay, so now I will select the specific software or application what I want to uninstall or remove from my computer. So I click this VLC, uninstall, press yes. Okay, then again I will press continue. Yes, we have to install it. Finish. And now only the files for VLC will remove from your system, not any file, Windows file or any other file. Whatever files you have related from VLC, it will be removed from your computer. So this is the proper way to.
So guys, this is the proper way. From the control panel, if you remove or you uninstall any of the application or files, so only the specific software or application file will be removed from your computer. It will not touch any other important files. So this is a small but very important thing. So I hope you will take care for this, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you are my previous, yani the old subscriber, so please like, share, and I don't want to say everything. Take care. Bye.